Good morning from Malacca. This was a Portuguese colony in 1511 and it lasted 130 years. Afterwards it was taken by the Dutch and then by the British. So let's see what they left behind. We are walking to the Portuguese settlement first. Let's see if we can get there dry as the weather is playing up and it's starting to rain a little bit.
Starting to rain. Lucky us.
Oh yeah. We've made it to the Portuguese settlement. You can already see the architecture of the houses, a bit European with a mixture of Asian, but even the flowers looks like there is a bit of Portugal around there.
We just arrived to Almada. That's Christ over there.
We can see him. There he is with his arms wide open saying hello to the Portuguese, and we've got a small ship which we can sail along.
So tired.
This is where the Portuguese settlers made their home and got married, had kids, raised families, and some of them even speak Portuguese from 500 years ago. So let's see if we can find some of them that still do. Portuguese flag. We miss our country. I'm looking for a guy who speaks Portuguese, Felix.
Felix?
Felix, do you know him?
Felix, Noah Philip. Yeah, not here.
Not here.
Does anyone speak Portuguese?
Yes.
That's nice.
Okay, so we've just been told by that guy that there's a man who still speaks Portuguese.
Yeah.
And we're gonna try.
It's a fisherman.
Hello.
Olá.
Olá, tudo bem? Falas português?
Falar português.
É, espetáculo.
We speak Portuguese at home,
Ah, sim,
but we no scholar.
na escola.
Our Portuguese is antique one.
Antigo.
But if you speak to me slow and steady, you will understand very exactly.
Ah, ok.
You're pescador.
Sim,
Yeah, you will pegar peixe,
sim.
camarão, cangueço, choca, igual.
Prazer em conhecer-te.
yeah.
Meu nome é João.
Agustin.
Agustin.
Yeah, Dimelo.
Agostinho?
Nome bonito.
Obrigado.
Nome bonito.
Nome bonito de Cristiana.
Obrigada.
Até és pescador.
You want to see inside the museum?
Sim.
I'll show you it.
Oh, okay.
1 minute.
Ok.
Almost finished. It's ready.
Sim. Estás a preparar a rede.
Isa, Josefina,
É a tua filha?
uma. 17 anos.
17? Ah. Olá.
Olá. 17.
Como é que te chamas? Como é que...
Nome.
Sim.
Nome Luisa.
Luísa. Olá.
Like this, the mother Portuguese.
Which...
That one, the boy, the mother Portuguese. These are also my brother and sister.
Sim.
So their father Chinese.
Chinese.
So that's
Ah.
why when the Portuguese came here before,
Yeah.
they surrendered here. They had war, so they never bring pretty girl like you. So they married the local.
Yes.
So intermarried to every Indian, Chinese, Malay. So that's why our color is like this.
Yeah? Oh, it's not so different. Look at my color. Similar.
Because you know why? You see my daughter is branco.
Sim.
You know why? Before I working on the construction.
Ah.
And now I pescador.
Ok.
Muito
That's
sol.
why, like this.
Muito sol.
Sol.
Sim.
Queimado.
Sim, queimado. So we just found a Portuguese speaker.
7 of 8 of Portuguese.
Yeah.
They came. They give Ronaldo's t-shirt.
Oh, cool.
And they give one statue of Our Lady Fatima
Ah,
from
Fatima.
Portugal.
Sim.
Can you turn it around?
Okay.
Ronaldo.
Ah, you're not Portuguese?
No.
I see your features, I know. But you came together?
See. Oh, Cristiano, how cool is this? On the other side of the world.
So I
And the guy's very friendly.
how you would- the Portuguese, Balu the Portuguese.
Ah, bairro português.
3 groups now. We have 3 groups.
Ah, you've got like a band, Rancho and Rancho.
All Portuguese dance.
Ah.
Some this one from Portugal also.
Yeah, Rancho Folklore.
They have dance in Portuguese until today. Like any festival, festa, they dance.
Ah, cool. That's very interesting.
Is it the same?
Yes, it's exactly Rancho Folklore.
Tradition lives on.
School at all, but and yet we speak Portuguese at home until today.
That's very good. Yeah.
Like you say avion, aeroplane.
Avião,
We
sim.
say no, barco a voar.
Barco a voar.
Barco a voar.
Barco
Sim.
means like ship.
Yeah,
Flying
Yeah.
ship. Come. So I show you them.
Fado.
So we have festival in Trudeau.
É tudo.
Yes, we have.
Nosso carnival.
Yeah.
We have. When we this year we had in Trudeau,
Sim.
few of Portuguese tourists came. So we put the container, we put ice water. I take girls like you, brands like you, put inside.
Bomba.
Oh, like this.
Yes, splashing water, everything. They have Portuguese food, Portuguese local food here, not from Portugal.
Yeah. A mixer.
Big already. We don't know what you eat in Portugal. I also don't. Maybe I cannot agree your food also because I never been to Portugal.
Like bacalhau.
Yeah, bacalhau. We know bacalhau here also. We don't know how to prepare because when the Portuguese left us, we married local.
Yeah.
So what the Muslim, Malay cook here, the Muslim we also, the Hindu cook also we can cook like the Hindu. The Chinese also we can because we already
Yeah, it's a
mix already.
Yeah, mix. That's how Malaysian is, culture. It's a
Malaysian,
mix.
all Asian.
Yeah, but maybe you could have from maybe.
You come here and teach me how.
She knows how to do a good bacalhau.
See, we
Look at the 50s. Very old.
no, this one all is Portuguese
Escudo.
coin. No, all Portuguese coin they get from the sea.
Oh, this is.
Very very old. Maybe 500 over years.
You see?
Old.
Yeah. Oh, malhão, malhão.
This one local wine.
Yes, it.
This is not from the grapes. This from the black rice.
Black rice.
Brown rice. You taste. I give you to try.
So we're just gonna try some rice wine. Obrigado. A saúde.
Hi sir. Which one? Again another cup. Your family? No. Your couple?
Sim.
Okay, you can share.
Vai, chega o primeiro.
It's okay, you just you see how.
É bom?
Smell like home wine.
Home wine.
This one
Grava aí.
Young home wine, yeah, maybe 6 months or 3 months.
It doesn't taste or what it smells.
Yeah, it looks homemade. Yeah. It's not too strong.
Yeah.
It's sweet.
not
It's sweet. You can drink a lot and after the day.
Tomorrow you will die from that.
I hope. I'm speaking Portuguese now with you.
I will speak Lithuanian.
I said it's good.
okay, nice.
Yeah, really nice. I never tried rice wine.
Yeah, it's good.
It was really good.
Então, olha, muito obrigado.
Okay.
Prazer em conhecer-te.
Thank you.
Continua com o bom trabalho. We're about to leave the Portuguese square. We had just amazing experience over there with that guy speaking Portuguese. Really made us feel at home. So we're about to take a lift from this nice couple. Are gonna give us a lift back to the town.
Just a small fee, that's all.
So how long have you guys been coming to Malaysia?
I came to Singapore in '82.
82.
And we've been, I mean, I started coming here around '83, and then Mary and I got together around '85, '86, got married in '91, but through that period, '86, we came here maybe 2-3 times a year, every year.
So you really enjoyed Malaysia?
Yes, we
It's
like
a good
the food,
getaway.
yeah.
It's a good getaway.
Because we drive from Singapore to here, takes about what, 3 hours?
Is it?
Oh yes, it's
Yeah.
quite.
3.5 really.
3.5, yeah. Yeah, the
Quick stop.
highway.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice trip.
Thank you very
Very,
much.
very nice meeting you, and thank you for the lift. Nice time to rain.
You too. Safe trip back to Singapore.
Yes. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you. It's about to rain. We were lucky to get that lift. We came to the Straight Mosque, and it's one of the most famous ones in Malacca. So they will not allow us without a jubba. We need to get ourselves dressed in one of these. All ready. Just waiting for Christiana now. Should come any minute in that room. Ah, there she comes. We look really beautiful. Look at us, like proper Muslims.
Oh my god.
This is the ladies' prayer room, separately for men. Okay, you can tell your name. Who are you, sir?
Yes, I'm a local. Which one you met in the hostel?
Travel tip for you guys. Don't mess with Malacca.
You have been warned.
I want to feed the fishes.
Huh?
I want to feed the fishes.
Look at them, hundreds.
I'm about to buy food for the fishes. Can I have yes.
We just arrived to the fortress called Da Famosa. It was built by the Portuguese, and this bit is called Porta de Santiago, and it's the only part remaining, as it was taken by the Dutch and then by the British, and the British destroyed most of it, fearing it was going to be taken by the French Napoleon troops. So this is the remains. We just met another Portuguese guy that speaks a little bit of Portuguese.
Ah, yes.
Como te chamas?
Aqui o seu nome? O seu nome é Elvin?
Elvin Maria.
Santa Maria.
Santa Maria. Prazer em conhecer-te.
Por aí, a papia portuguesa.
Sim.
Um pouco.
Muito bem. E tens moedas portuguesas?
Portuguese coin.
Very, very old.
Old one. I keep it.
Muito velho.
Now okay lah, because
Mostra?
there's some
É dos tempos dos reis. From the
Portuguese time.
Portuguese time, yes. Very, very old.
We keep it.
Ok. Prazer em conhecer-te. Tchau, obrigado.
Obrigado. What's your name?
João.
João.
João. We just seem to find Portuguese speakers all around. Even
Portuguese.
he knew a few words, but come on. This is St. Paul's Church. It was built in 1521 by the Portuguese, which makes it the oldest church in Southeast Asia. Catholic church, by the way. we've got behind us.
Portuguese sheep.
This is what they arrived 500 years ago.
After a full day of Portuguese heritage, or visiting all the Portuguese heritage, we finally came to the Dutch. So before heading back to the hotel, we just want to share one last thought with you of our day. It's been a very special day for us as Portuguese to see that 500 years ago the Portuguese settlers that once came made such an impact in Malacca.
And they're proud of their background.
And they're proud, yeah, that's it, and they're very proud of their background.
Yeah, never forget where you come from and stay humble.
Yeah.
Tomorrow is a big day. We leave in Malaysia and we're going to our next country.
The next country, new adventures.
So we see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.
Bye. We should have rented one of those.